what's going on, little dragons? How are you feeling today? If you're feeling good, please do let me know down in the comments below. Drop a like on this video, share this video with your friends and family, guys. And in a few days, guys, it's going to be my birthday, guys. It's going to be my 22nd birthday, and it will mean the absolute world if you guys get me to 300 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Share this video with your friends. Please help me get to 300 subscribers, guys. It would help me out so very much. It will mean the absolute world to me. It will be the best gift I've ever gotten in my life, guys. The love and heart of you guys is everything I need. So today we're going to be reacting to, guys, Spider-Man. Come on, guys. Spider-Man versus Dr. Octopus, the train fight scene from Spider-Man 2. I'm guessing from most of you watching this about my age, so you grew up with the Spider-Man trilogy, guys, the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man trilogy. I'd say the first Spider-Man was my favorite. This and the first one, they're both my favorite. That was okay, the Venom and all that, but this one's really good. Dr. Octopus, I love the fight scenes. I love all the scenes in the film. It's really great. It's really sick, guys. So most of you probably already seen this film already, guys. But I'm just gonna react to this scene, and yeah, I don't know, guys. I just really love you all. Can't wait for my birthday. I'm gonna spend it with you guys, and yeah, let's just jump right into this video, guys. Let's get my let's go. Spider-Man. It's Spidey. Yeah. There's a bad villain.
Where is she? Oh, she'll be just fine. Let's talk.
Just talk. Look at that. Hey! Oh, he's got the smoke. Come on, Spider-Man. Well, use your webs, yes. Swing back up. This is the only one where he has organic webs. And the other one's just web shooters that he uses. Okay. Alright, yeah, there it is. That train. Everyone's like, what? What's going on? What the hell? See, this is one of the reasons I wanted to learn gymnastics, you know? I can do like cool flips and stuff like this. Must be really cool to be like a Hollywood stuntman. Look at that, it's just gonna cut right through. Look at that. This is the coolest bit, look at this. Woo! Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Very. Look the way he moves. He's at the other side. See, any normal person that would be dead. But my guy Spider-Man. Hey! No. No, Spidey. Oh no. sticking tower. Ooh. Oh. He's dead. He's still alive. What? No. No. Save him. Now.
You have a train to catch.
Oh no. Come on, Spider-Man. Oh, Spider sense is tingling. Oh crap. Ah. Oh god, guys.
Wow.
Come on, I'm just gonna let him do his talking now. Come on then, little dragon. It's interesting because well, as I said, most of us watching this video are young and we grew up with the Spider-Man trilogy, the Tobey Maguire trilogy, so the Green Goblin in the first film, the Dr. Octopus obviously in this film, Venom in the third film, Sandman, who's the new Goblin, Green Goblin's son. See, all of these guys, out of all of them, I think Dr. Octopus, I think in a way they're all, apart from Venom, I think in a way they're all quite innocent. They all have like some innocence. It's always an external factor that it's like that because it's the robots in the chip. The robot arms are what controls him. Same in the first film. It's that what's controlling him. And then even in the third film, it's Venom that controls the guy. So yeah, there's a bit of innocence in the villains, but all the action scenes, and in this film particularly when Spider-Man loses his power and how he gets it back, and then as soon as he sees the car, God, that brings back a lot of memories, that scene. And then he sees the car and he comes flying in, and then that's where his senses come back and he saves himself and Mary Jane, and then he becomes Spider-Man, and then he goes into this fight. This film is, bro, the Spider-Man trilogy, guys. I love it. It brings back so many memories. And Spider-Man itself, I don't know, there's the Andrew Garfield Spider-Man, the Amazing Spider-Man. I like Tom Holland Spider-Man the most, I have to say. Then I like Maguire, then I like Andrew Garfield's. Yeah. So yeah, this scene is really exciting. The fight scene, the way it's made, whoever the stuntman was, they did a great job. The making of the film, the VFX, everything was so amazing. So yeah, guys, this is awesome. Now my birthday is coming up on the 9th of October, which is, so this is Monday morning. It's early morning right now. So in a few days, guys, it will mean the absolute world to me if you get me to 300 subscribers by my birthday, guys. That will mean 1 year since my PK video. Yeah. And I didn't even have 100 subscribers at that time. So even the fact that I grew up to this level, what would I have? So when I'm making this video, this is about 286 subscribers. So even this is a great level. 300 will be absolutely great. It will mean so much to me. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with all your friends. They will love this video. If you love Spider-Man, if you know anyone that likes this this Spider-Man series, the trilogy, and these scenes in the second Spider-Man, share this video with them. They would love this reaction, guys. If you loved us, we are the same person. If you didn't realize already, anyone new to the channel, we're the same person. Everyone that already exists, you know, there's always many dragons here. But guys, I love you all. I'm gonna make more vlogs. I'm thinking of, so Monday morning, from when I wake up, I'm gonna make a whole vlog of the day tomorrow. So today, I'm gonna make a whole day vlog. So work, my training, and all sorts, what I eat. So stay tuned, be sure for that. Subscribe, turn your notifications on. So it will be really interesting. And that will be out on Tuesday. So I'm trying my best to make as many videos as I can before I hit Friday, and I'm gonna celebrate my birthday with you guys. So thank you all. I really, really love you. Thank you for all the love that you've shown me, guys. You are all amazing. You're all my little dragons. You would all be great. God bless all of you. Your blessings, your support is all I need. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. I love you. Stay home, stay blessed, stay safe. Stay awesome, guys.